Top 10 Most Popular Cartoons. Hello everyone, welcome to Intellify. A cartoon is a type of illustration, sometimes animated, typically in a non-realistic or semi-realistic style. The creative ideas, bright color schemes, and effective sound effects attract the audience, wholesome the children. Let's take a look over some of the popular cartoon shows. Tom and Jerry. It is an American animated franchise and the series of comedy short films created in 1940 by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Tom is a grey and white mute domestic short-hair cat, and Jerry is a small brown mute house rat. Comic fights between Tom and Jerry is the basic outline of the show. The Looney Tunes, an American comic series produced by the Warner Bros. It is known for introducing cartoon characters in bulk. Scooby-Doo. It is an American animated franchise comprising many animated television series produced from 1969 to the present. Writers of this show are Joe Ruby and Ken Spears. The Flintstones. It is an American sitcom produced by Hanna-Barbera Productions. It was originally broadcasted on ABC from September 30, 1960 to April 1, 1966 and was the first animated series to hold a primetime slot on television. The Simpsons. It is an American animated comic series created by Matt Groening for Fox Broadcasting Company. The series is a satirical depiction of the working class life, epitomized by the Simpsons family. Popeye the Sailor. It is a fictional muscular American cartoon character created by L.C. Chrysler Segar. The character first appeared in the Daily King feature comic strips Thimble Theatre on January 17, 1929, and Popeye became the strip's title in the later years. The character has also appeared in theatrical and television animated cartoons. The Jetsons. The Jetsons is an American animated sitcom produced by Hanna-Barbera Productions. The Flintstones, while always produced in color, was broadcasted in black and white for the first 2 seasons. The Bugs Bunny Show. The Bugs Bunny Show is an American animated anthology television series hosted by Bugs Bunny that was mainly composed by Looney Tunes and Merry Medleys, cartoons released by Warner Bros. Between 1948 and 1969. The Roadrunner Show. The Roadrunner Show is a 1966 to 1972 animated comic series which compiled theatrical Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner cartoons from Looney Tunes and the Merry Melodies, which were produced by Warner Bros. Cartoons between 1949 and 1964. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, often shortened to TMNT or Ninja Turtles, are 4 teenage superhero mutant turtles. During the peak of this franchise's popularity in the late 1980s and early 1990s, it gained worldwide success and fame. Besides these, there are a lot more interesting comic series. For more, stay tuned to learn with Intellify.